the moment. It's not raining. Look who's here! Chloe! Hi Chloe! We don't see you very often, do we? No. Dirty stuff out. Hi. Good girl. I have a little parrot. You got up there. What you doing? Honey, what you doing? You got up there. You're going to say you're stuck now, aren't you? Stupid dog. There we go, dispatched. I got it so it would arrive today, Saturday the 4th. The 4th. And it's still not here. I don't know what time the post goes on till, but if it doesn't arrive today like I ordered it to, then I will be messaging them. Well, I just spoke to Amazon. Even though I paid the extra £5 for it to be sent today, there's something wrong with the Royal Mail. So I won't be getting Need for Speed Arrivals today, but I have been reimbursed the £5, and apparently I will get the game Monday. So now I've got to wait. And that was a specific reason why I paid the £5, so I could get it today. But I suppose shit happens. At least it's still on its way. Cheers, Amazon. What are you doing, Mosby? Hi. Too far. Mosby. Mosby. Hi. You said hello. Oh, you're being cute for the camera.